SC Happily and Family Fun Gardening.
Hi everyone, I am SC Happily, and today I am going to explain why we mulch our plants. Also, I'm going to explain why we amend our soil. There is a reason why it's recommended to get 3 inches of mulch. Stay tuned to find out why. Like, comment down below, and subscribe if you would like to follow this journey. Let me know also if you all are going to be mulching your gardens this fall. I miss summer. I know you do too. If you look really close, you're going to see some smoke coming out the center of this pile. Let's go. You all see that smoke coming? The deeper I dig, it's like a fire. Smoke moving. So if you got really good eyes right now, see, you see it? I know you all can see it over here. This pile is breaking down. But more importantly, why we add mulch on top of cardboard is to amend the soil, the clay soil that is beneath. So, for example, you see this clay soil is very dry. To get this clay soil to be amended, this will break down into the ground. So this is just an example to make it very clear for those who do not understand in fall why it's important to actually mulch and amend your soil to protect it, to keep that same heat that's coming out the center of this pile, to keep that same heat in there. It's very hot right now to the touch. Also, heat because of, oh, my gloves, I work hard, but because of the cold weather, you want to keep your roots heated. Frost means that underneath the ground, everything is going to freeze. You want to keep your roots heated. So, you all, this is why we mulch. This is why we amend. After a hard day's of work, don't eat anything that bad for you. But if it was a salad, maybe a Subway. Oh, there we go. For all the gardeners, aloe vera, heal yourself if you cut yourself. For all the planters, this is what you need to eat after a hard day's of work. All right, everyone, I use every type of box. This is how we can give back to the earth. Also, amending your soil. If you are building a barrier above ground level, this here is my ground level. That represents, that's what 3 inches of mulch looks like above the ground. Beneath the ground, as you see, I have steel cardboard here to show you all. You don't want the mulch to be directly up on the base of the plant, which is inside of there. You want to mulch correctly around so water can still get inside. At the end, this mulch will then amend your soil. So you'll have one barrier of amendment and then another one. So you all, I just wanted to explain, give you a full explanation of how and why we amend what's beneath. And back to this dry soil, this clay, it's hard for water to pass through these here particles, if we want to call dirt particles. Once you amend your soil, this will turn brown. If I had a shovel, I would show you all, but your clay would then turn brown. Years and years of this oak tree dropping its leaves have amended my soil. That's what you want. Collect your leaves this fall I will be adding then leaves to help retain moisture. All of this is to mulch, retain moisture. When it's done, it will break down to amend the soil. And then that's why we add another round of mulch come springtime, to then help retain water, not to amend the soil. And then this will be a constant cycle of amending, helping retain water. I hope that helped you all. See you in my next one. Bye-bye.